This is how you make the most delicious slow cooker pork with potatoes and carrots. Start by seasoning pork tenderloin with salt and pepper on all sides. Add butter to a large pan over medium-high heat. Once the butter melts, add the seasoned tenderloin until golden brown on all sides. Transfer the roast to a slow cooker. Add yellow onion and garlic powder and cook until golden brown. Stir in tomato paste and transfer the onions to the slow cooker. Add dry red wine, scraping the brown bits from the bottom of the pan. Pour the wine into the slow cooker with the roast and onions. Add chopped carrots, celery, potatoes, beef broth, thyme, rosemary, and 2 bay leaves. Cook on low for 8 to 10 hours. During the last hour of cooking, place cornstarch in a small bowl and add a 1/4 cup of the broth from the slow cooker. Whisk until well combined. Add the mixture to the slow cooker. Continue to cook on low for 1 hour. You can find more easy slow cooker recipes on our website.